What are we cooking today?
Okay, so right here I have some zucchini sliced up. I put some soy sauce and some pepper on it. We're gonna bake it and fill them with rice. And I made like a dipping sauce. It's kind of sweet, salty, and spicy. And my boyfriend and I kind of lovingly call it poor man sushi. And then every vegan's favorite food is kale, right?
Oh yeah.
This can wax your floors, pay for your apartment. I'm gonna make this kale salad that Chef AJ created. It's called Hail to the Kale. It's an almond butter based dressing. It's sweet, it's garlicky, it's salty, it's sour. And on kale, it really makes it something totally different. I think you guys are really gonna like it. My dad's family suffered heart disease, and my mom's family more so suffered cancer. And I kept thinking to myself, why is that my fate? Animal products really aren't good for you. Processed food, even if it's vegan, still not good for you. And diet and disease are more related than our genetics. When I moved out of my dorm, I went whole food, plant-based, vegan. So I cut out sugar, oil, salt. I didn't eat anything out of a box, bottle, or a bag. Pre-diabetic up until that point. And after about a year or two on it, that went away. My cholesterol went down. I used to be hypertensive. That went away. My doctor was saying, we're gonna put you on medication. About a year later when I came back, or a year or two later when I came back, everything was great. And the doctor said, I don't see a reason why we need to do that anymore.
Wow, that's a great story.
Thank you.
How do you feel 5 years in?
Amazing, it's the best thing I ever did.
Yeah?
The best thing I ever did.
Well, thanks for joining us, everybody.
See ya!
Go vegan. You put this in the oven.
Your next question might be, how long should it bake? And I have no idea.
Cool.
20 minutes?
I don't know.
30 minutes? Let's
What
do the
now?
kale salad.
Yeah.
If you want to juice this lime,
Yep.
so I'm putting in some dates for sweetener, so they're not refined, so there's still fiber and nutrients intact, and they're plenty sweet. Some ginger. Do you guys like or hate ginger?
Yeah, I'm done with ginger.
Do you guys like garlic or not so much?
Yeah, I like garlic.
So the almond butter, keep the camera there. Put about a cup and
What are
since
you
it's running
doing? Just
enough.
pouring?
Ooh, that's a lot.
It calls for a cup.
Wow.
Now,
That's a lot.
that's
Too
a lot.
much almond butter for Liz?
Now wait, no, that is a lot, and that's a lot of fat too. You can substitute it with cannellini beans, with like maybe 50, no, honestly, they're good.
Why?
50% almond butter, 50% beans. You don't know the difference.
Okay, all right, I can see that.
She's like, what the hell? And about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Good enough for me. She adds hot pepper. Do you guys like hot pepper?
Yeah.
No? I'll let you do it. That's fine.
Good job, honey.
So this, oh, water. A cup, I guess? I don't know. That's good.
That looks really nasty right now.
Why?
I don't know, just everything all floating around, you know?
Chug, chug, chug.
Let's try that. I'll actually let you try it first.
No, you try it.
Okay.
Okay.
So good! Anyone else? So you could add stuff to this. I know this sounds weird, but I add corn, like frozen corn. Sounds weird as well. Chopped banana in this. But
In the dressing or in the salad?
in the salad.
Oh, no, it doesn't sound
That
weird.
sounds great.
Yeah.
We have a banana.
Yeah, we do have a banana.
I'll
Wait, a
let
banana?
you guys try it by itself first. Now this looks weird as shit.
So you're massaging the kale.
And what it does, you'll see that the kale's gonna like reduce in size. So it's a little bit easier to chew. And kale naturally can just withstand this anyway. Like if you did this with romaine, it just would dissolve into nothing. And I'm getting the dressing everywhere in the kale.
I'm kind of open to this banana idea.
Don't.
Here, you have one in there. If you want, put it on your
Yeah,
own.
you can put it on your own.
Because
Shouldn't we let the chef determine what's in the meal? You have an Instant Pot as well?
I do. They are the biggest thing that I'd recommend to someone besides a good blender.
No, rice with that sauce would probably just be,
This on sweet
boy.
potatoes is amazing.
ugh, I'm in.
So, this might be a good one. Now people watching might think like, what's so good about this? Well, it's a great way to use up certain vegetables, or zucchini isn't that expensive either, and it's sure as hell cheaper than regular sushi. We have this sauce that I made here. Soy sauce, agave, lime juice, garlic, black pepper, gochujang.
And that's our sushi dipping sauce.
All right, look at that.
Who knew how simple?
That is a nice looking meal. I'm gonna put banana on mine.
So weird.
Wait, what do you mean weird? I thought this was your idea.
It's weird because like, oh, apples in salad, oranges in salad, but you never see banana.
I think it's great. Look at that spread.
True hippie food, let me tell you. How is it? Yay!
Thumbs
Oh,
up on the
tasty.
poor man's sushi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you try the banana?
I had the banana separate from the greens. Because banana and almond butter is good. Banana, almond butter, and kale, I don't know.
You've had that combo many times, actually.
As
Your smoothie?
As a smoothie, yeah.
Yeah, but that's different, okay?
But yeah, let's get to that question. What is your guys' like death row meal and least favorite food?
Least favorite is just anything spicy. I also don't really like kimchi. I'm a little anti, because it's like wet and slimy, you know? Just that texture combo of wet and slimy is a no-go for me.
What would your final meal be?
Pizza.
Pizza. Vegan pizza or non-vegan pizza?
Non-vegan pizza, because I'm not like Screamers. Like they have a pesto pizza with mozzarella, vegan sausage, artichokes. Like there's nothing better than that. I don't
So
think.
you go with vegan pizza, you're saying?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, because then I'm like mac and cheese. But I haven't had a good mac and cheese.
You haven't had a good mac and cheese since going vegan?
Nothing that's like,
Really grabbed you?
you know,
Have you tried to make it for yourself?
yeah. It's good, but like 20 minutes later, then it doesn't taste the same.
Are you like a smoker? An ex-smoker, I mean. Like, there's a lot of ex-smokers and ex-drinkers. I know that if they heard the world was ending in 24 hours, they would just immediately...
back to it?
Yeah, yeah. Would you just go to regular mac and cheese and gorge
Wouldn't
yourself
taste the
on it?
same.
Wouldn't taste the same?
No. And it's weird because it's just like I was telling you earlier, I think you left the room, but Parmesan does not smell the same anymore.
Yeah. This is delicious, man.
Thank you.
I feel both satiated and very healthy.
Good.